Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to cancel and reschedule lessons on the new online calendar. And the new calendar is called My Music Staff. You just go to mymusicstaff.com in order to log in. Then you're going to click Login in the top right. Here where it says email address, you're going to enter your email address. And where it says password, you're going to enter the password that you created from that website login details link yesterday. And then you're going to click sign in. Now, there are a lot of things that this software does that we're not going to be using, at least not right now. So if there's anything in here that you think, wait, practice, I'm supposed to be entering my practice, don't worry about it. You're not supposed to be entering anything. The only thing we're using in here for now is the calendar. So I don't want you to get bogged down in trying to learn how to use all these different tabs. Maybe we'll use them someday. We're not using them right now, so don't worry about them. The first thing you'll notice is that right here, top left, it shows you when your next lesson is. So if you wanted to cancel that lesson right here, it's as easy as clicking cancel attendance and then clicking yes, I'm sure I want to cancel. And now, as you can see, my next lesson has changed because I canceled the one that was on Tuesday, and so now it's showing one on Thursday. But if you want to see more lessons than that, then all you have to do is click Calendar. Now, I know that this calendar looks very full, but that's because it includes two pieces of information. It includes which lessons you're already signed up for, which is mostly your regular lessons, although it may also include makeup lessons, workshops, other things like that. And this calendar also shows you lessons that you're not signed up for yet, but you can sign up for them if you need a makeup. So the way to tell the difference is by these icons here. These little green person icons, those show the lessons that you are currently signed up for. And if you're a family with more than one student, then you can see everybody's lessons on this same calendar. Whether there are 2 members of your family, 3 members of your family, all taking lessons here, they'll all show up within your family account. So all the ones with the green person are the lessons where you're signed up, they're on the calendar, and unless I hear otherwise, unless you cancel the lesson, I would be expecting you at that time. These ones with the orange person are lessons that have been canceled. I've canceled a bunch of these, just trying to make sure I understand how to use this well enough to explain it clearly to you and hopefully be helpful here. So the orange person icons are not something that you really need to do anything about. Just if you see those on your calendar, then that's a time when at one point you had a lesson but you canceled it. Green means the lesson is on. Orange means the lesson is canceled. Now, some of these lessons just say open. And if the lesson says open, then that means that you can schedule a makeup lesson in that time if you want to. So say that I say, 5 p.m. on the 24th. That sounds like a good time for a makeup lesson. All I have to do is click on it, and then click register, and then click OK. Simple as that. I'm registered. Now, I know that there are a few different colors on this calendar, and color coding can kind of confuse people. But the green lessons are regular, traditional private lessons. That's what most of you are in. These orange lessons, that's a team lesson. Basically, if you don't know what that is, then you're probably not in one, which means you probably don't need to worry about it. Team lessons are the ones where 3 kids come for an hour and they rotate between stations. Now, if you are currently in a team lesson, but you need a makeup lesson, you can register for a traditional private lesson if you want to. That's allowed. Same thing goes the other way. If you're in a traditional private lesson and you need a makeup and this time is really convenient for you, then you can sign up for a team lesson as your makeup. It's allowed for you to cross over that way, but I don't recommend it because it might be jarring to show up for a lesson and have it be a totally different format from what you're used to. But you can, if that's the time that works for you. These purple ones over here are workshops, which of course only happen a few times a year. So most months you're not going to see a bunch of purple workshops on the calendar. But if you are not signed up for a workshop yet, notice that there are lots of open spots and you can still sign up. So that's not showing you how to use the system. That's just letting you know that you can still sign up for workshops, and I hope everybody does. It's included in your tuition. You've already paid for it, so might as well. We're doing the escape room again, except now it's all new clues. There were several workshops last week, and everyone seemed to enjoy it. So, I want to show you one more way to reschedule your lessons. So here I've come back to the home page, and I'm going to go ahead and cancel this lesson just so I have a makeup credit. In fact, I want to show you first. At the bottom of the page, notice how it says 0 available makeup credits. That means there are no lessons that I've canceled that I don't already have a makeup lesson on the calendar. So I'm going to cancel this one just so I can get a makeup credit and show you how you can use it. Yes, I want to cancel. Now if I scroll down, I probably have to refresh the page actually. If I scroll down, now it tells me that I have 1 makeup credit. And here it shows me a list of times that I can register to do that makeup lesson. These are the exact same times that you would see on the calendar, but if you prefer this format or if this is more convenient, I could just say, yeah, I'm going to sign up for 3:30 p.m. on Thursday. I think that might be the one I just canceled, but this is just a sample, so it doesn't matter. And I click OK. And it's as simple as that. I hope this was helpful. Bye.